friend Chanel. I'm just so rude. Vlogging. And we're gonna get
bloody cream cakes.
well, we have to go all the way down to the ends to get the cream cakes. So yeah, and I look really weird vlogging right now. People said do it sideways. Not in that way. I mean like turn the thing round sideways. I'm getting attacked with all these cream cakes.
Do you want me to hold us?
Yes, please. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go to the park. I didn't mean to smack that.
Smack that all on the coast. Smack that ceiling to floor. Smack that right out the door. Smack that, oh. Smack that all on the coast. Smack that ceiling to floor. Smack that right out the door. Smack that, oh.
Okay, so we're on our way to the bus stop to go to the park. Let's go. I don't care if I'm getting looks. This is what we're talking about. Sainsbury's. Oh, it was bloody raining earlier, wasn't it? Fingers crossed it doesn't rain like it was earlier. Oh, so where are we going? So we're walking through Frankfurt. Famous Frankfurt. We need a selfie stick, but if I use a selfie stick, I might hit someone in the head with it. Why are you so dark, Chanel? You're hiding. Almost got wet there. Hands free. Hands free.
It's magic.
Magic.
Right, what way are we going?
This way. Send us an umbrella, people. Well, yes, guys. Got some nice gifts for you. Yeah, where did the water fountain has disappeared, isn't it?
It fucking stinks.
Alright, chill out. Right.
Raining, it's pouring.
My phone's getting drenched.
Look at all the geese on the
Oh,
side.
but should we run up to them and scare them?
No.
Yeah. What?
That's evil.
Why? Whose idea was it to come out now?
I think it was yours.
No, it was your mum's actually. I don't think we're allowed in here. I'm gonna see if the rain is settled. Are we ready?
Yeah, we got to be prepared for this weather.
Are we ready, guys? Are we double ready? Let's brace it. I look orange. Why do I look so orange? Oh god, let's not. Let's hide in here. It's all worse. Where are we going? This quick? Oh, that's disgusting. The pencil there. Okay, pick up the pencil. I found a pencil, guys. Look. Weather's nuts. Well, when you come to England, what do you expect? Everyone with their umbrellas. Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh, quick! Oh no, there's a thunderstorm! Run!
I love thunder.
I don't, especially when we're under a tree. There's nowhere to go. Well, you might hear that thunder in our video. Whispering willows. Ooh! Poke my eye out. Oh my god, cut our hair. That's a nice little park. Nice little area. A bit wet though, isn't it? I don't think we can sit anywhere. Percy doesn't give a damn, does he? He's strolling out like a boss. The weather won't even affect him. Hey guys, welcome back. We are sitting in the middle of nowhere in Raffles Park. It's cold. We were literally trying to run away from the rain and cold. So we're going to do British people try American kangaroos. I don't know. Do like British people or English people, whatever you're going to call it. Yeah, we're doing it in the middle of nowhere, outside for a change. Not indoors, it's outside. So what we got? What do we have here, guys? We got jalapeno poppers,
Crunchy fries.
snack cheddar cheese. There.
Crunchy fries. They're hot. Extreme hot.
Hot
They're
and
extreme
saucy.
heat.
Yeah, gonna warm us up because it's cold. So, yeah. Oh yeah, snowballs that will kind of.
It's a snowman's balls.
it's squished in Chanel's back. She squashed someone's balls. She squashed the snowman's balls. So yeah.
Two of these.
We've got
It's got like loads of.
little mix and got pick and mix of American sweets in there, so we don't trust some of them. There's Nerds, there's Laffy Taffy, I think there's Tootsie Rollers, some other bits and pieces in there, so not just our reaction and stuff.
Baby Ruth. Don't know what the fuck that is.
Baby Ruth? Who's Baby?
We're eating a baby.
Oh! Baby Ruth? I thought that was Butterfinger. I don't know, I might have picked up the wrong one. There wasn't, we wanted to do the Bean Bozzle challenge. Get like, you know, those tasty bean things, but they didn't have any, so
We're going to do it next time. We're going to order them.
Yeah, we just got whatever we could get. So we've got Baby Ruth.
What is this? Snapple.
Snapple.
Snapple. Yeah.
We got that. Yep.
So what we trying first? Should we try these first?
Sure, try the flaming hot meat.
Who wants to go first?
Three fast dollar. Oh, we also got some of these, but I don't know if we're going to open them because
I smell really good. It'd be hot.
Oh, they smell quite nice. Quite oniony, not oniony. So tiny that is. Looks like a little fry.
You ready?
Yeah, go.
How is that extreme heat?
Maybe we should get like 3 at once. How is that? You look so disappointed.
Exactly.
Maybe just add some of the ghost chili peppers and that'll be extremely hot then, won't it? Okay. Yeah, so we got like all these snacks down here. Munching them out, actually. They're just, you know the chipsticks that you get? They're just the chipsticks, aren't they?
Reminds me of Monster Munch.
Yeah, Monster Munch. Try some Monster Munch first. And the next time we should try different kinds of crisps or something. Alright, well,
Well, that's that one.
just eat them all if you want.
We can have them later.
Yeah. We're doing try the
Snowman balls.
yeah, squash snowballs. Alright
Do you
then.
want me to try some?
Yeah, sure. Oh god. I'm gonna get
It
it
looks like a boot.
He just poked it. He just poke it.
It's got a whole. I didn't
Poke-
poke
yeah,
it.
you poked it. You poked it. Oh! No. What did you do? You got it all over you. Oh god, Chanel. I told you not to play with your food. Oh, come on. We're not gonna find a toilet at this time because we used someone else's toilet and we thought it wasn't.
We used.
Wait, no. I mean, we used a toilet that wasn't even though we was allowed to go in there. Okay, so pick it up gently, or your balls are falling apart. Oh, what is this?
What is life?
What is? Oh my god! What have you
It
done?
looks like a mushroom.
What have you done to it? Oh my god, we're having some technical difficulties. Okay, that's your one. You can go first. Oh. What is this?
How the fuck do you pick these things up?
Oh, with difficulty, obviously. What's it taste like? Is it just squish it in your hands and dropping it all over?
It's like.
See, nom it all in. Shove it all in. Nice to go. There you go. Oh, you're dropping it all.
Oh,
My fault. No, has anyone had these before? I don't know.
reminds me of my book. Oh,
Oh,
really? It's just all going through my hands.
oh you made it. Well, whose fault was it for squatting? Snowballs, coconut, and marshmallow covered chocolate cake with creamy filling. Fruit? Okay, so what we're gonna try next? We haven't. Hang on. I was.
What is transfat? It's transfat.
I don't. I'm dreading it actually. Just looking at it, just in disbelief. Okay, so
If your one comes out in whole, I'm gonna be so pissed.
it wasn't me. Do you want to have the rest of it?
That's
Yeah,
right.
open wide. Okay, so oh god, I'm gonna. Oh god, but I just lift it up. This is not a good idea. Do not try this at home. Okay, sorry about that. Chanel's mum called, so we're gonna go back to recording again. Okay, so what we're gonna try next? Snapple. Ooh, one thing I can say, it tastes like. Doesn't taste like bleach, but it smells like bleach. Salad.
Salad.
Smells like salad. Oh, it does, doesn't it? Oh, what the hell? What are these? Cheddar jalapeno peppers. Jalapeno. You want to see my little jalapeno? Yeah. You can see what I want. Oh, you dropped it!
There might be a bit of what's this that they're not using.
Tastes like those tangy Doritos, those cheesy ones.
It's a bit of kick.
And they taste like
I think they're more
that
spicy than
salady
them.
creamy. Yeah, what the hell? Oh my god!
These are more spicier than them.
Yeah, stop
What's
lying.
going on?
Stop lying, they're not even hot.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Lie. Let's try some more. This generally tastes like toilet.
And you know what a toilet tastes like.
I don't know what it's like. A bit bleachy. You know when you get the smell of bleach. You know you get the smell of bleach, right?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
People gonna probably avoid this now, aren't they? I'm not trying to pink lemonade snapple from you. I don't know. What does it taste like? What does it taste like to you? It doesn't taste like pink lemonade. Anyway, that's what I like watching. Where you gone? You're back now. You need to start. Bye, Chanel. It's nice meeting you. Bye. Bye. Alright, then let's try so I gave this about Baby Ruth 5 out of 10. The Snapple, well, I don't really know what it really tastes like. It tastes a bit strange. So you might like it, so good for you. And this actually really this jalapeno things burning my lips and my mouth and my gums. So they're actually really nice though, so I'll give it about a 4.5 out of 10. It's just because it's really hot. But you know these the crunchy fries, not even hot at all. They're just like potato snacks. Squirrel, hello you. Oh, it's coming up towards us. Hello, squirrel. Hello. Where you going? Oh, is it going to come up towards us? Hello. Oh, you're cute. Yeah. Hello. There's some bread. There's some bread. There's some bread. Some bread. There you go, some bread. Yeah. Good. So cute, isn't it? Good thing, isn't it? Are you recording it? Do you like that? Yeah? You like that, yeah? Oh, hello. Hello. You're nice and cute, yeah. And the music's nice as well, isn't it? Bye-bye. Look. Alright. Oh, so maybe doves are a good sign, aren't they?
Isn't it like someone from heaven?
Is it?
Yeah.
Percy, we're gonna go now.
Oh, cool.
I don't think you wanna go. Thanks for being awesome, and we're gonna go. Percy, go. Percy, go, Percy.